Well, hello guys, welcome back. Yes, it's been a while. In fact, it's been almost 6 months. Sorry that I've been away. Just things have been happening, things have been going on. But I'm back. I'm back to making videos, back to making tutorials, back to talking about anything and everything to do with architecture and interior design. I'm talking like this because my wife right now is sleeping in the living room, and she doesn't want to go upstairs. So I'm gonna try to talk about Wipeout today. You guys might have used Wipeout, or if you haven't used Wipeout, Wipeout is a wonderful whiteout tool. Um, in case you don't know really what it does, it's basically like having an eraser or taking a piece of paper and putting it over a word. Yeah, I think it's better to just show you how it works than to just explain by mouth how it works. So for example, this is a video right here. No, keep going. This is an image right here, a section. And let's say I'm about to print this out and I didn't want this part, vapor barrier, to show right now. Are you still recording? Yeah, sorry about that. This let's say I wanted vapor barrier. I didn't want it to show right now. So instead of just deleting it and printing it and then coming back and undoing it, or maybe putting it on a different layer, I'll just type wipeout. And if you see down here, it's asking for frames or polyline. Right now I'm basically gonna do frame. So what I do is I just create any form of square, enter, and it's covered. And when you plot it, you make the border invisible and you wouldn't see it. That's how it works. And so you can always apply it, or you could not apply it. If I want the lettering to come in front of it, I'll just send to the back and it's right there. But otherwise it would cover it. And that's one example of using Wipeout. If I wanted to use Wipeout in another instance, let's say for example I was drawing an interior elevation. Let's say what I want to do is put this person behind this washing machine so it would look more like that. One option, of course, is to type Wipeout and click there, 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 enter it. But then now I have a problem. I have all the other components of the washing machine that I have to bring to the front, and so doing that would take time. Another thing I could do is explode this and start to trim the person out, and that would take time because I have to now start deleting this and delete that, and by the time I do that, the person is gone. So if I wanted to change this or get rid of him, or maybe even copy it, it's only the top half of him. So a better option, let me just undo this, is to create this as a block. So I want to put this washing machine in front of this person. So one thing I would do is create a block of this washing machine. So I'll highlight everything, shift and unhighlight the person so that it's only this machine, and I'll type in block dryer. That's what I would call it. I'll give it a name. If there's nothing else, just make it a block, and it's a block. Depending on what AutoCAD you use, it would either create a block, go to the editor, or anything like that. So you've already created the block. Right now what I could do is just draw a line over this, just a normal line, and right now I have a box over this thing. So what I'll do is I'll type in wipeout and I'll go polyline, and it's asking me to select which polyline to use, and so I'll click on this and it's now asking me, do I want to erase the polyline? It is up to you, but I would say yes. And so it's right there. So as you can see, the box is in front of the person, but you cannot see the machine. So all I'll do is just wait till I can see the machine right there. Click on that, draw order, bring to front, and there it is right there. And so if I wanted this person to stand right in front of the box again, I'll just do that, draw order, bring above objects, and bring it above this guy, and there he is right there. So hopefully that's enough information to show you about Wipeout. It's a good trick, especially if you're an interior designer and you're drawing things and designing things. Anyways, if you have any questions or if you have something else you'd want me to teach, please don't hesitate to contact me, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.